Hi Stars, you're welcome to the channel. So I got something very, very interesting and I just couldn't wait to run down here to share it with you because you will need it and it will save you from a whole lot of problems. Do you know that there's a way you can hide your account balance different from your main balance? Let's take for instance, you're being harassed by police or being attacked by armed robbers and they have access to your phone and they want you to transfer the exact amount that you have in your phone at gunpoint or whichever means they decide to use. Do you know that you can hide your current account number and show them what you want to show them? You'll show them what you feel like showing them. Let's say for instance you have 10 million naira in your account and you want them to only see that you have 5,000 naira. You can display 5,000 naira as your account balance. If you want them to see just 10,000 naira, you can as well display 10,000 naira as your account balance. And if they want to take the money, they take what they are seeing, but your main balance remains the same. This is a security feature called distress mode on Tribe Wallets. So Tribe Wallet is a fintech company that helps money management easier, and that is what I want to share with us today. I want to share with us this particular thing that has changed how I manage my money and my business. And I've also shared this with some of my students in our private group and they have activated it. Okay, let me share with you what happened last month. There's this client of mine. She's into China importation business and pre-order business, and she does a whole lot of transaction, bulky transaction for that matter. So she was on her way to get something and she was attacked by some guys that tried transferring funds from her account. Yes, you know how these things happen. It happens around. I've heard about it, but her case was so unique because she was someone that was close to me. She does this business and she transfer huge amount of money. So she was attacked and they have access to her phone and they forced her to transfer her money out of the account. That was when she used the unique code, distress mode code on Tribe Wallet to log into her account, and the amount that she set there was lesser than what she had in her account and they took the money away, but her main balance was saved, right, because of the security feature that she activated on her phone. That was how this lady didn't lose her money, and the money was actually for her pre-order business. If you know how pre-order works, pre-order, you use other people's money to buy things. Nobody will even listen to you in this December that people have saved up to run businesses and you're coming to tell them that you were robbed. They will not listen to you. So if you're a business owner or someone aspiring to start up a business, it's advisable you go download this app. Tribe Wallet is the name. Tribe Wallet, as written on the screen, is a fintech company that has made money management easier for anybody, and there are some interesting features that I love. The one I just mentioned is just one of them. There is also seamless transfer, right? So you can easily transfer your funds. There is no point going to the bank to queue any longer. And their transfer comes with the lowest and the best transfer rate you could ever ask of, just as is shown on the screen. You can compare it with other fintech companies. They are the best. And a seamless transfer, no transaction errors, nothing, everything goes on smoothly. So it's something that you should jump on, right? One thing about owning an online business or being an entrepreneur is the fact that if you are running an online business, if you are into the digital space, then you should try and use digital tools, and Tribe Wallet is a digital tool that will make all your transaction seamless and easy. It saves you time. There's no point going to queue up in the bank. There's no point having all these issues. Like the other day, one of my clients had issues with POS because she was using POS to do her transactions. Imagine that you own an international business and you're using POS for your transaction. You should expect a lot. You're spending money on transfer. That day she transferred money into a wrong account, over 1 million naira. Until now, we're still trying to sort it out. That was as a result of she using a POS agent to do her transaction. You don't need to do that. You need to upgrade and use digital tools like this. If you run an online business, I will advise you don't put your money in one account. Make sure you have separate accounts for your business money. Your business money should be in a separate account from your personal money. It will help you not to use up everything and know how to track your expenses. It is very, very important. Another feature I love about Tribe Wallet is the fact that there is zero transfer fee on utility payments, bills payments like NEPA bill, your TV subscription, airtime, data, and the rest. There is zero transaction fee, so you're doing everything free of charge, just like the way it is being shown on the screen, right? So we've talked about distress mode, right? Distress mode is their security feature that is very, very important, which is what I explained at the beginning of this video. You can set unique pin to use whenever you are in danger, whenever you just want to protect your actual account balance. You can set a unique pin for that. So right now I will take you to my phone screen where I will show you how to set up this, because it is very, very important. All you need to do is to download the Tribe Wallet app on Play Store, Apple Store, and sign up using Raystar as your referral code. Don't forget that Raystar, as written on the screen, as your referral code, and start enjoying what we are enjoying. This is how you activate distress mode on your Tribe Wallet app, right? So what you need to do is to open your app, come over to the bottom right where you see more, and click on more. Right, once you click on more, you come over to settings, click on settings, right? Then you click on distress mode. Distress mode is after forgot transaction pin, so you turn it on. There you see other options to work with. Set distress pin. The pin is what you use in logging in your app when you're in danger. So you use the pin to log in your app instead of using your normal login pin to log into your app. So I'll go ahead and click on set distress pin. An OTP will be sent to your email address. Go ahead, open your email address and get the OTP. I've successfully imputed my OTP. Now I will go ahead and set a pin that I know I won't forget. Click on save pin. So my pin has been set. Now I will go back to settings and come over here and set distress balance. Distress balance is the balance that you want to be shown on your dashboard when you are in danger. So you pick any random number. You know the way account balance used to look like. Pick any random number and use here. So just go ahead and use any random number. Let's say I have 10,000 naira in my account. I'll just go ahead and put this 2,000 something and click on the arrow that is blinking to save it. So when I log in with pin that I just set, the balance I will see, I won't see this 19,800. I'm going to be seeing the distress balance I use. So owning a business is not all that difficult if you have the right financial tools, right? Make sure you track your expenses, make sure you know what you're doing. All right, guys, I said let me just share this with you. I will come your way again, but before that, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on bell notification until I come your way again. I'm Rachael Brian. Bye.